just turned it on. So the soldering iron and the hot air blower are both not powered right now. Turn the soldering iron. Does exactly what it should do. Soldering iron is working just fine. Soldering iron is plugged into the correct side. And let's see what happens this time when I turn on the hot air blower. So I turn the soldering iron off, turn on the hot air blower. Adjusting the fan doesn't do anything. Okay, no temperature readout at all. Take the unit off. See, the switch is on. It's not hot. It's not hot at all. Last night, the thing did get hot. The fan down here pulsed on and off, did not stay on, and smoke rolled out of this thing. And then everything smelled like hot vinyl plastic for hours. But this is not working at all. Put it up there. I'll play with this again. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Take the unit off. Connections are good. And that's it. It does not work. Like I said last night, I saw some smoke and thought for a minute it was going to work, but no luck with that. Did not work.